Rightmove has just landed the biggest drop in house prices since records began. Let that sink in for a second. You might have seen it, you might not, but not since lockdown, not since 2008 where the last crash happened, but since records began, and that's over 20 years ago. And it's even bigger than the last financial crisis, 2008, 2009. And Rightmove are actually calling it an extraordinary buyer's market. That's just a fancy way of saying the market's crashing. Now's the time to be buying. Look, let's be real. Buyers are finally getting power again. Now, some people, especially if you're starting out, you'll think that sounds really scary. But anyone who's looking to invest or actually get started, build income, generate generational wealth, the opportunities are there, and we've not seen them for a long time. And here's why. It's just the beginning. It really is. There are thousands of people right now sitting on fixed rate mortgages, and they took them out before 2022 when rates were 1 or 2%, less than 2% definitely. Those 5-year fixed rate mortgages are going to run out, and over the next 2 years they're going to run out. And when they expire, people are going to go from paying sub 2% to, I don't know, 6 or 7%, maybe even more. And a lot of them won't be able to refinance because property prices are falling. That means there's going to be a lot of forced sales. That also means there's going to be a lot of property stock on the market. But that means for us, there's going to be more opportunities to capitalize. And if you know what you're looking for, now is the time to be looking for these deals. I'm just stood right now in one of our latest ones. We're midway through a refurb at the moment. We're turning it from a 2-bed into a 3-bed. It's almost coming to the end. We've got some work to do outside, but we've managed to get this one for a bargain because of the market conditions. I want to encourage all of you to actually make a decision. I want you to make a decision to take one step forwards, one small step forwards to achieve what it is that you want to achieve. And if you've been thinking about getting into property for a long time, or even a short time, if you've been thinking about it, now's the time to get in, because the market is about to turn. Rightmove is saying it. Biggest drop in house prices in over 20 years. And if you don't, you're going to get left behind. This is going to be one of the biggest opportunities that we've had in a long, long time. I'm still buying. So like I said, this property here is one of our recent purchases that we made. We're turning it from a 2-bed into a 3-bed, uplifting the value with a refurb and the extra bedroom. And we're going to be refinancing it, pulling the money out and cash flowing. You don't need to time the market. You need to buy the right deal at any time. But when the market is shifting like it is and prices are coming down, rents are still going up. So when the prices are coming down and rents are still going up, why wouldn't you do it? Why would you wait until you're seeing the numbers go the other way? It just doesn't make sense. But that's what a lot of people think that they should do. They think that they should wait until prices start to climb again and rents stabilize. Well, right now, if prices are dropping and rents are going up, that's how you're going to make better deals. So if you've been thinking about getting into property for a while, and you just commit to taking one small step forwards, and you keep committing to doing that over every single day, every single week, every single month for the next couple of years, you will have moved forward substantially, and you will have created something that you wouldn't have otherwise done. And right now is the time. So we've got these next 2 years to build and scale a massive property portfolio. If that's what you're trying to do, this is the time that you want to be doing it. So if you're willing to buy when prices were higher, just think about this for a second. If you're willing to buy when prices were higher and interest rates were lower, but rents were also low, why wouldn't you buy now? Again, when prices are lower, yes, interest rates are higher, but that also means rents are higher. And when interest rates come down, it's just going to mean you've got more profit. So you're gonna create more cash flow. And cash flow is king. You're nothing without your cash flow. So if that deal right now, so this deal here that I'm walking around, if that's going to pay us every month now, when interest rates come down, it's going to pay us even more. So again, I'm just trying to encourage you all just to take action to build that stability, build the freedom, one deal at a time. And if all that makes sense, but you don't know how to get started, I want to encourage you to go and check out Property School. So check out property.school. I've shared a link on the screen, because here's what's included. We've got new courses every week, new content every week. We've got Q&A sessions, we've got beginner-friendly lessons, we've got replays of our legendary challenges like No Money Down and How to Raise Finance. And we've built a really strong, supportive community that's going to help new people get started in property, get moving, and overcome their obstacles. And it's just less than 40p a day. There's no contracts. You can cancel anytime. Like I say, I've already shared the link in the on the screen. So just going to encourage you now to go and click that link, check it out. Like I say, it's risk-free because it's cancel anytime, 40p a day, and it can change your life, and it will change your life. And look, let me leave you with this one thing. Every property investor you look up got started at a time of uncertainty. That's just how it works. Some started around 2006, 2007, and 2008 when the last crash happened. Some started during COVID. Lots of people started during COVID, believe it or not, and made an absolute fortune. Some will be starting right now, while the headlines are shouting that, you know, there's a market downturn, there's a crash. There are people starting right now, and they're taking the decision to move forward and build their financial freedom. And you don't have to have it all figured out, because that's what property.school is for. So all I want to do is encourage you again to click the link, come join us. I'll see you inside, and this is to your